Good morning, students. I am Sumaya, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. In this video, we are going to discuss about operators in C. Already we know that operators. Operator means operator takes one or more arguments and produces a new values. Arguments are distinguished from ordinary method calls, but effect is one and the sum. Some commonly used operator are assignment operator, mathematical operator, relational operator, logical operator, and then shift operators, bitwise operators, comma operators. These are all the most commonly used operators. First one, assignment operators. Assignment operator. This operator is used to assign values of entities on the left hand side to the variable on the right hand side. Example, A equal to B. We assign the variable is left hand variable is left hand side, the value is right hand side. Example, the attributes to the left of the assignment operator is distinguished variable. The attribute and the right of the assignment operator can be any constant, variables or expression that can produce a value. Example, A equal to 3. Assignment of primitive data types is quite easy because primitive types holds an actual values. When primitives are assigned, constraints of one variable are copied into another variable. If x equal to y for primitives, then the content of y are copied into x. If x is modified, y remains unaffected by this modification. Okay, you assign x equal to y means you are changing in x value means that value cannot affected in y value. Okay, next thing, conversion rules in assignments. There are some basic conversion rules for assignment when the source and destination are of different. Okay, first thing, if the source and destination are the same type, they can assign without any issues. For example, int I equal to 5 into j equal to 12 means both variables are same data type. So, any issues occur, I equal to j valid since both are same type. Next thing, widening. Widening means if the source is of smaller size than the destination, but the source and destination of the compatible types, that no casting is required in this type. Okay, example, int I equal to 5 long j equal to 12 means j equal to I, assign j equal to I. This is also variable, both are compatible type, our source is smaller size. So, no problem, no issues occur in this type. Next one is casting. If source and destination are of compatible types, but the source is of larger size than the destination, and explicit casting is required in this case. Example, int I equal to 5 long j equal to 12 means the j value is converted into integer type. A equal to int of j, valid. Both are compatible types and source is of larger size and hence explicit conversion is required. Next method operator is mathematical operators. The mathematical operator is also called the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to construct mathematical expression as in algebra. Their operands are numerical types. There are some operators used in mathematical operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, commonly used in this operator. Division on the modulo operator means division is stored in quotient value. Modulo operator is stored in remainder values. Okay, which produce modulus operator will produce the remainder from integer division. Okay, got it? Next one is auto increment and decrement operator. There are two operators used in this case. One is increment operator plus plus, another one is decrement operator minus minus. Increment operator is plus plus and means increment by 1 unit, minus minus minus, the decrement operator minus minus means decrement by 1 unit. Some operators in increment and decrement operator or increment, decrement, negation, bitwise complements, these are the auto increment and decrement operator. Next thing is a relational operator, the well-known operator. It generates a Boolean type results. These operators evaluate the relationship between two values of operand. The values true is a given if the relationship is true, and the values false is if the relation is untrue. Got it? If compares two values and determine the relationship between them. Example, not equal to returns true if it is true operands or unequal. Relational operator are used to test whether two values are equal, whether one value is greater than another. Got it? Some operators are less than operator, greater than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. These are all the relational operator. Example, if A equal to 3, B equal to 3 means both values are equal. A equal to B. Next one is logical operator. It generates again the Boolean type values. The both condition will be true, the AND condition will be true. Either or condition will be true, the OR condition will be true. Not operator used in the complement of operator. Okay, these are all the AND conditions. Example, I equal to 85 and J equal to 4. I greater than J means the condition is true. I less than J means the condition will be false. I greater than or equal to J means the condition is true. J less than or equal to J means the condition is false. I equal to J means the condition will be false. I not equal to J means the condition will be true. Okay, this is the logical operators. Next thing is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, which is treated as a 1-bit value and so is somewhat different, can perform bitwise and or XOR operations. Used in as a bit positions. This is because a Boolean data type is a 1-bit value. Bitwise NOT operation cannot be performed on Boolean type. Some Boolean bitwise operators are bitwise and the symbol is and gives output 1 if both bits are 1. Both bits are true means the condition will be true, else 0. Bitwise or, second one is bitwise or using OR operator gives output 1 if at least one of the input bit is 1, else 0. Bitwise XOR means gives output 1 if any one of the input is 1. Okay, the any one of the input is 1 means high means, but the not both, else 0. Bitwise NOT gives output 1 if input bit is 1 and output bit 1. If input bit is 0, the output is 0. This is the bitwise operator. Next one is shift operator. The shift operator is manipulate the bits. This operator can be used only with primitive integral types. the left shift operator acts an operand to the left of the operator and produces a result shifted to the left by the number of bits specified after the operator. Example, inserting zeros at the lower order bits. Okay, inserting shifted in the zeros in lower order bits. The assigned right shift means act an operand to the left of the operator and produces a result shifted to the right by the number of bits specified after the operator. The assigned right shift uses sign extension. Bitwise, the shift left x shift operator 2 means leftmost 2 bits are left, and then lower order bits add the 2 zeros. Okay. Next one is ternary operator. This operator also called the conditional operator. Syntax Boolean expression, question mark, value 0, colon, value 1. Example, when calculating the maximum of 3 numbers. Calculating the 3 numbers. If example D equal to A greater than B, question mark, A greater than C, question mark, K colon C, colon, B greater than C, colon, question mark, B is to C means if the values of A, B, C are 4, 5, 6 respectively, then first A, B are compared, that is 4 greater than 5. The result is false, so the control jumps to the condition B greater than C, that is 5 greater than 6, whose result is again false, hence the final result is C, that is 6. If Boolean expression evaluate to the true, value 0 is evaluate and it is result become the values produced by the operator. If Boolean expression is false, value 1 is evaluated and it is result become the value produced by the operator. Next operator is comma operator. So, comma operator is used to do in C++ not only as a separate function argument list but also as an operator for sequential evaluation. The sole use of a comma operator in Java is in for loop. Next operator is string operator, string plus operator. String plus operator is used to concatenate strings. The use of string plus is in the string if an expression begins with strings. Example, int x equal to 0, y equal to 1, z equal to 2, string equal to quotation of x comma y comma z means the print the x is the string means the result will be x, y, z. Okay. Thank you.